Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on stack unbinding explained with visual call stack. My name is Tanisha Yadav and this presentation is prepared for course CS 185. Let us begin with the introduction. In Java, stack unbinding happens whenever an exception is thrown. The Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, removes method calls, also known as stack frames, one by one until it finds a matching catch block. If no handler is found, the program ends, and the JVM prints a stack trace. During this process, finally blocks a try with resources statements are executed to release resources safely. This makes exception handling reliable and prevents memory or resource leaks. Now let us move to the analysis. Under normal execution, the call stack grows step by step. The main method calls method A, which calls method B, and then method C. Each method call pushes a new frame on top of the stack. But suppose an exception occurs in method C, the JVM checks whether method C can handle it. If it cannot, that frame is removed, and stack unbinding begins. The JVM then removes frames upward through the call stack. If method A has a matching catch block, the exception is handled there. If no handler is found in method A, the unbinding continues until the main method. If no handler exists at all, the program ends with a stack trace showing the chain of calls. Now consider the final state. If the exception is caught in method A, the stack contains only main and method A, with the issue resolved. If no method handles the exception, the program terminates abruptly. The diagram in this presentation illustrates this process. It shows how methods are pushed onto the call stack, how exceptions remove frames, and where handlers step in to solve the problem. Next, let's look at a simple code example. When an exception is thrown in one method, it travels upward through the stack. Catch blocks are checked one by one, and finally blocks always run to ensure resources like files or connections are closed properly. To conclude, stack unbinding in Java ensures that when exceptions occur, the call stack is cleaned step by step until a handler is found. Finally, blocks guarantee safe cleanup, making Java programs more stable and reliable when handling runtime errors. Thank you for your attention.